Have you ever stripped the drain plug on the automatic transmission? Well, I have. I took prying with a flathead screwdriver and a socket just to get this bolt out. Let's see. You know what? I'll compare this to a new drain bolt for the damage. Here's a closer look of the bolts. You can see the threads are destroyed. I over torqued this on accident. It only required 15 foot-pounds, and I gave it a little too much. Here's a new one. My thread repair of action, I'm thinking of doing like a helicoil. So I'm using a helicoil-like thread repair kit from Amazon, made in China. I already attached the drill bit. I'm gonna put some grease on the drill bit so it could catch the thread, or not threads, the shavings as I'm drilling a hole. I'm gonna do the same with the tab. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so under here, I did use a drill with grease and just slowly made the hole, and now I'm tapping it. Initially I used grease, but because training fluid is still leaking through, I'm just kind of going in dry and letting the fluid just take the shavings off. Also, the grease is just dissolving in the fluid, so just slowly doing this. The way I'm driving it, since no handle can fit, I'm using a 7mm wrench, and it just fits perfectly right there. And I'm just turning it using two hands, so using two hands to provide the twisting pressure. Anyways, I'm gonna keep going at it until I get the helicoil installed. Helicoil installed. I'm not gonna take off the tang. I'm just gonna leave it in there. Torque the new drain plug to 15 foot-pounds.